Hi, friends! I'm Wallone. Let's learn the days of the week today. Are you ready? Let's go! Monday. Monday is the first day of the week.
Tuesday. Tuesday comes after Monday.
Wednesday. Wednesday is in the middle of the week. Thursday. Thursday comes after Wednesday. Friday. Friday is a fun day. Saturday. Saturday is the weekend.
Sunday. Sunday is a day to relax and spend time with family.
How many days are there in a week? 7 days! Great job! Let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Next is Friday. Saturday. Sunday.
Now you know the days of the week. See you next time. Bye-bye.